Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to turn on making purchases on your Roku app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Roku app. So all you have to do to turn on this sign, you just go above this photo here in app, click on it here. So then when you click on this photo, it's going to take you here in this list. Then all you have to do, you just click here on account info here. So then it's going to take you here in this list. Then all you have to do, you just click here. So in this list, then you come to this list, you come here to making purchases here, click in this sign. Then like you see here, this color show for us, that's mean making purchases is some unknown. Then you just go down, click here on save changes. Then so I have to make pin verse, so I'm going to make it here. So I'm just going to make it. So then I'm going to click here on create pin, then it's going to run with me here when I'm going to click on save changes. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.